How to research for a good broker. Because so many of these brokers and pro firms, they don't mean well for Africans. Let's watch this video first.
Xness denies $12,000 payout. Xness denies $12,000 withdrawal. All right, so here is the full gist.
If you want to use a good broker, this is the website you should go and do your research. Do proper research. Don't use what your mentor recommend. Even though you want to use it, this website, and do your research, do your founding. This website is called Propfirm.com. I'll put the link on this video. This is the name of the website, Propfirm.com. Then once you come, you click on it. You don't even need to create an account. You don't need to register. Just type the name of this broker and you come to this place. So here is 2025 broker, Forex broker listed. You can take anything here. You can see here, I take broker, I take country, I take regulation. Okay, you can take any other thing here, or then you scroll down here. These are the names of the brokers, the country, the regulator, the regression. So here now you search for what you want to use, or you can be clicking on any of them and check if it's accessible, if it is regulated in your country. Able to see if it is a high broker or their spread is low. Okay, if it is a high spread broker or low spread broker. To use this Xness as an example, okay, you can see their country, you can see the regulation. Then you click on this place, then you will see the total, everything you need to know about this broker. You click on it. Now on this place you can see where this broker is regulated, the year this broker was launched. You can see where they are restricted. Okay, now me, I can't use this broker because it's restricted in Portugal. I can't use this broker. All right, so now this place is very, very important. Broker type, you can see that this broker is MMDMA. If you don't understand this, go to Google and search for it. And you come here, you see there are dealing book, B book. Come to Google and ask what is the meaning of MM and DMA brokers. You can say there are direct market access, market makers. So when you check all these things, you'll be able to understand the kind of brokers you are using. When it comes to dealing book, go back to Google and ask the meaning of dealing book broker. On the Google here, I tap what is the meaning of dealing book broker and the difference between B book and A book broker, and you can see the result here. B book broker, you can see that B book broker operates by taking the opposite side of a client. That means if you are using a B book broker, if you buy, they will sell. If you sell, they will buy. They make money when you lose a trade. Why an A book broker routes client order direct to the market. So A book broker route your order direct to the liquidity, the providers. I have done video about 3 types of brokers you should look out for. They have DMA, which is direct market access. They have STP, which is straight through process. And we have ECN, which is electronic communication network. These people, whenever you buy or sell, your trade go direct to the interbanking system. If you are using STP, which is when you buy, they send your trade direct to the liquidity providers. You guys should go and do research. If you don't take trading as a business, this is where you keep falling victim on these brokers, on these pro firms, and you keep losing your money. When you don't use a good pro firm or a good broker, there is no how you become profitable.